King Koyon for this crown and title to understand my family and also the Senator for thank you so much. God bless you all. I wish you a safe trip.
A round of applause for Honorable Hugh Ballard. Thank you very much.
A great honor done to us, more especially to my son, Sayyid Bola Tinubu and his wife. I have heard the MC has narrated the responsibilities of this club today. Let me use this opportunity to assure Yoruba land this is your ambassador part of the country, not only North East, but North East, North Central. We have all represented together today. In the North East, we have in our midst former President Senator Lord Ibrahim. In the Northeast as well, we have Senator Shehu Buba. In the North Central, we have the former Governor and Senator Abubakar Sani Bello. We have the former Governor Senator Lalon, our Minister and former Minister. We have Sani Musa, known as 313, Senator from the North Central. In the Northwest, we are all over. Yanduje is there, Tambor, former Speaker, is there, and Samuel Senator, former Governor, is there. And many of us, we are here. And many of North, South East, and South South, including our amiable Senate President, Gospel Apart. They are all here to place and honor this call and honor this occasion. Privacy, I personally take it upon myself that North West, North Central, North East, Southwest relationship is going to be cemented, and we should not think of otherwise of what we have available to do. And I have minister saying political and non-political. We are all political here. That is maybe not you, but all of us, we are political. So therefore, wherever we are, the message is one. It's very clear. More especially we that came from where we came from. The Southwest has stood by us. Despite of us. Now it's time for us to be back. And we're going to do it. Yesterday, I was able to travel with the President. A very long journey for over 12 hours from Maiduguri, Kochi to Lagos. We are discussing issues where people have misconception that they couldn't understand what Mr. President is saying in those days. He said, and I quote, I was assigned to be a co-chairman of a campaign, and we are going to do the campaign by what other opposition are saying. Even if you are on wheelchair, as long as you can talk to the people of Nigeria to convince them, we are going to do it. And he fulfilled his promise. He campaigned in 2019, and God is infinite mercy. Give Muhammad Buhari and so as to make the victory, become the president for the second time. But those that who went to work, used to what? Or use the statement against me, say, oh, why where Osunbajo was going to be the president. That's what they said. But me, that I knew, and some of us that knows Bola, we know what he meant and we know what he said from tongue to heart. Today, where we are is challenge to us, not especially we are the same party with him, and even those that are not in the same party with him, the yearning and aspiration for the past 15 years for northern Nigeria is for her to become president. And I, and some of us, are here clearly not without God send Bola Ahmed Tinubu with his plan and his support and financial and whatever, that dream may not be in place. The dream of President Buhari to become president in 2015, fully architected and designed, financed by Bola Ahmed Asiwaju Tinubu. So therefore, we in the northern Nigeria today, we have no option. Follow and escort Bola Tinubu on this first time, second term, by God's grace, and we have started seeing what he has been doing, and pray for him for the success, and pray for him for the better Nigeria during his march. Kabesi, for this short remarks, I really thank you on behalf of myself and my son, Bola Tinubu, for this honor done to us in this community, and we will never take it for granted. We are the sons of this place, and we are going to do all our best to ensure that we promote the cultural values of this institution wherever we find ourselves. Thank you very much.